level, colleges level, they're planning to implement this strategy from academic level. Can you tell me, students are facing, so let me talk about the Telugu medium students. Actually, Telugu subject is easy. Chappan sir, Telugu subject is easy. The next one, they are feeling maths they feel little difficult actually. Am I right? The next one, physics also they feel little difficult. Sir, what happened, nowadays actually, if you know Python, in schooling level they are teaching Python. Now, let me talk about the statistics. Let me talk about what exactly maths actually. Under math there is a one subject name is so called as a stats. What is the subject name? Stats and probabilities and stats actually. What they are doing, sir, stats with maths, I'm sorry, stats with what exactly? Statistics with Python. Statistics with what, man? Please understand. They will explain. Imagine there is a topic, the topic name is a kind of some what exactly? Sample is a topic in probability and statistics. First they will explain the definition. Chappan sir, first they will explain. One more time they will explain definition. Then they will explain formula. They will explain what, man? Formula. Almost student feel difficult definition and formula. Third step is they are writing Python program. They are writing what, man? No, we know Python. By focusing on this code actually, trust me, formula you can understand, definition also you can understand. Slowly by slowly, the academic status is changing actually through Python. Through what, Sarji? Python. Please make a note. So be strong in Python. If you know Python, you can understand even maths very easily. You can even understand physics very easily actually. Trust me. If you want, I will show you one small example. In Miku one example చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. Go to the major. I love books reading. In my free time per day minimum 40 minutes to 1 hour I will read books actually. I love books reading. I know the statuses. Here if you want you can just do search for you need one book, right? Probability and statistics with Python. Okay, probability. Daniel, do we need to no do we need to buy this actually? No, I am giving one example. Can you tell me, probability and statistics is the math. Can you read the last two words actually with Python? Yeah, please make a note. Actually. So know the Python, it will be helpful for you. There is not all books are great books. This is awesome. Next one, calculus with Python. Chappan Sarji, calculus with what exactly? Calculus with Python. Calculus with what, Sarji? Python. Good. See, with Python. This is awesome. I like this book actually. Seriously. So he's from Korean. The author is from Korea. Amazing. Oh my God, I feel mad actually. So when I was reading this book. Good. So please make a note on this one. And especially, do you want to read? Can you read the topic name? Probability and statistics with. This is quite interesting. First of all, probability and statistics is a different subject. They are integrating with the Python. They are integrating with what, man? Conclusion of this story, if you know Python, you can understand anything, Sarji. You can't believe physics also. Physics with Python. Like that actually. Do you want to see few examples? Meer konna examples yana chustara? Yeah, Daniel, we wanted to see. Yeah, you kindly. Yeah. See, make a note. So these guys will explain. There is a one point, that point theory they will cover. There are some examples they will cover actually. This is frankly speaking amazing, sir. You guys are blessed when if you know Python. You guys are blessed when if you know what, Sarji? Python. Conclusion of the story. I recommend you please be strong in. That's it. Let me close the discussion. These are all. Daniel, do I need to buy? No. I'm giving suggestion. Please be strong in Python. Okay. Back to the session. ప్రతి సబ్జెక్ట్ ని కూడా ప్రజెంట్ నోవే డేస్ పైథాన్ బేస్ చేసుకుని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నారు. దానివల్ల ఏం జరుగుతుందంటే స్టూడెంట్స్ కి చాలా ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది టాపిక్. చాలా ఈజీ. ఓకే. యా, గుడ్. We started a topic. The topic, back to the session. We started a topic. The topic name is so called as a data visualization. What is the topic name? Do you have a data? Yeah, Daniel. Through that data, you can write a program. You can write what such a program. Through that program, you can visualize. You can what such a visualize. That is so called as a data visualization. There is a data. We are giving this data to the program. Now this program is visualizing the data. This program is visualizing what exactly? Daniel, this is kind of some numbers. This is kind of some code actually. This is kind of some diagram or image. Diagram or what exactly? Image actually. That's what you need to be understand. Raw data, numerical data. That numbers we are passing to whom actually? Code. We are writing the program. That code, what it is doing, creating a diagrams. That is so called as a data, program, visualize. One more time. Data, program, visualize. Data visualization actually. He knows. If you want, can I switch on the fan? Okay, let me know. Oh, data visualization we can do by using a library. That library name is so called as a matplotlib. What is that library name? One more time. Matplotlib actually. Matplotlib. Let me tell you that library name. What is a library or package actually? That's still okay. Package. Pip install matplotlib. Daniel, we already done. Good. Let me tell you, 99 out of 100 members, this command work. This command will work actually. No doubt in that. There might be one luckiest person, one person actually. 1 out of 100. 1 out of 100 actually. You may get a error. That too special error. That error name is a DLL error. DDL or DLL actually. DLL kind of some error. If you are facing this issue, this is so called as an environmental issue. What issue, Sarji? Environmental issue. What do you mean by that? Windows issue actually. Operating system issue. If you are getting especially this kind of error, you text me. I hope you know my number. I will give one command. You can run that command. Issue will be fixed actually. Now today you are feeling like, I should install Matplot today at least, I guess. Who already done installation, you guys are lucky. If anyone is not done actually, get ready. Maybe, who knows, you may be belongs to this area. So until unless if you run, you may not understand actually. Conclusion of the story, please. Today itself, at least we have to install what, man? Matplotlib. Otherwise, if you are keep on pending, maybe at later if you are getting this error, no worries, you can text me. I will share one command. That command, anybody faced this issue? While installing, did anybody face any error? That's what I'm telling, 1 out of 100. There is a one lucky person actually. That's still okay. Move on. What is the solution? We need to run one command. We need to run one command. That command also I didn't remember. So go back here. DDL error actually. DDL error while installing Matplotlib. I need solution from Stack Overflow. I believe Stack Overflow, Sajay. So if you don't know, DLL error, I'm sorry. Yeah, exactly. DLL error. Now I will give the solution. Hold on. What is the solution? This is the command you need to run. This is the command. Repeating again, if anybody facing while installing Matplotlib actually, if you are facing DLL error, one more time, DLL. Some word actually, you need to install this pip install MSVC runtime in your environment actually. Environmental OS operating system, there are some libraries are missing. This command will fix. Not everybody no need to install, only who are facing this issue actually. I know very closely. I used to work with these are all libraries. నాకు తెలుసు ఏ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సొల్యూషన్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది అనేది. I know very well actually. Move on, search it. Daniel, how you know? Practice. Fine then. Then line chart I explain. Next one, bar chart I explain. Bar chart with the data set, did I explain? Yeah. What is the data set name? Then I can move on, I guess. We done these are all. This is what is a horizontal actually. Oh, let me tell you. It's like a same bar graph actually. Go back. Am I using? Can I use the same thing? Go back previously.
right.
Okay. Oh, so okay. Please, let's give a double clear. Thank you. Now, good change. Remind you. You can remind me. Now happy? Yeah. Move on. X label, Y label. Next one will be. Let us just have to go for only bar chart actually. Let me run this code. We are writing a program. Output is image format. Output is what format, Sarji? Image. Yeah. Yes, sir. Look at my screen, everybody. Okay. So in command prompt, you have installed libraries, right? So hold on. In command prompt, you have installed libraries, right? What are libraries I have installed? I wanted to see. What are libraries I have installed? I wanted to see. Pip list actually. What exactly mean? Pip list. Pip list actually. Can you tell me what libraries we install? Pandas we install. Next one, matplotlib we install. Along with it is one all predefined libraries also it will be display. Pip list. What is the command name, Sarji? Pip list. One more time. Pip list. Go to the command prompt and a lot of libraries you can see. Left hand side library name, right hand side version number you can see. Version number you can see. This might be interview question. Can I keep here actually? Interview question. Interview question. How to see all installed libraries? How to see all installed libraries in your laptop actually. So simple. There is a command name is a pip list. In command prompt you need to run. Look at my screen. I will give a chance to so make a note actually. So children command prompt lo children lot of libraries you don't need to be worried. You let me know. Pandas first one, right? Control F and here you can just have to search for pandas actually. Pandas, yeah, it's just try to see somewhere. Ekkadun sir idi pandas. Yeah, here it is actually. Here it is. What is the version? 2.3.0 3.2.3.x actually. Matplotlib, yeah, somewhere it's not like a inline, it should be matplotlib actually. This is the one. Because advaina sir, move on like this. Where are we? Why my cursor like this? Background image is open actually. Please don't worry. Overall, yeah, good. Let me tell you. Let me continue from here actually. This is something like x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis we have taken product sales, a kind of some. I'm sorry. That whole thing is nothing but a product sales. On x-axis we taken month. On y-axis we have taken what exactly? Sales actually. Maybe it is mismatched. I guess it's okay. Don't worry. Now can I ask a question? Which month more salesman? May month more sales actually. Good. Please make a note on this one. Seems to be which month actually? September, October, November. Almost same, right? Almost what, Sarji? Same. Almost what exactly same. We'll do one thing. Let us just try to combine this gap also. Let us fill that gap also. You will come to know minute difference also. You will come to know what, Sarji? Very small, minute different also. Minute different. To combine that, what we need to do, Sarji? Combine చేయడానికి మరి ఏం యూజ్ చేయాలో తెలుసా? I repeat again. On x-axis here I need to keep like what exactly? Month, and y-axis I need to keep product sales. I'm sorry, you need to update actually accordingly. Just now even I catch. Oh, this is horizontal. That's still okay. Where are we? Go back. Just look at the diagram. Did you notice especially last 3 I have explained, right? Yeah, sir, the difference you can understand. You thought like it is the same. No. There is a small little difference. There is a small what, Sarji? Little difference. Are you guys getting? Good. Now, how to recognize? Simple. Any idea what is the syntax? Keyword augment. What it is? Keyword augment. Imagine if I am asking, first I will expect that one only. అదేంటి అన్నప్పుడు మీరు కీవర్డ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ చెప్తే నేను నా ఈగో సాటిస్ఫై అవుతాను. ఐఎమ్ సారీ. Please make a note. Can you tell me what it is? Keyword augment. Can you change the name? No. What is error? Type error. Remember this? No, I don't have any egos. Just for kidding, I'm telling. Yeah. Look at my screen, Sarji. parameters like this, if more parameter, go to the next line. That is the best practice. One by one parameter, go to the next line. Trust me, this is the best practice. In real time, while implementing project, we are following the same approach actually. Especially juniors, you guys need to learn. Yeah. Everybody please look at image actually to get an idea. So seems to be that gap filled. Either you can provide 1.0, 2.0, that is up to you. Yeah, Daniel, on x-axis I have taken month, y-axis I have taken product sales actually. Good. There is a difference. It's not like a same. Minute difference, maybe one or two, that you can catch actually. Okay. I'm sure you understand, Sarji. Okay, we are good to go. Move on. Next topic is histogram. What is the next topic? One more time. Important, sir. During interview, they will ask actually. Especially important interview question. Maybe yesterday also I told. Interview question. What is that interview question? You know, what is the difference between what exactly difference between bar graph and what, Sarji? Bar graph and histogram. Then why they will ask actually. So seems to be almost similar. Chodan Kokil embassy, but no, both are not same, right? So please focus on this. Are you talking about the bar graph or bar chart actually? Bar graph you are talking. The next one will be histogram. Next one will be what exactly mean histogram. In a bar graph, we need to draw the diagram by using x-axis. Next one will be y-axis. 2 dimensions. Here also same. Here also what such is same. Can I tell you the main difference? In bar graph, x-axis is categorical data. What data? Categorical data. What do you mean by that? String data. First point actually. In x-axis, numerical data. X-axis what mean? Numerical data. But in terms of the histogram, sir, both are numerical. Both are what, Sarji? Numerical actually. Did you understand? Yeah, let's move to the discussion. But Daniel, still what is the difference? I will tell you. In difference into Chiptanagan. We'll do one thing. Let us just have to take a small list. Small what exactly? List and please be focused actually. To understand about the histogram, I need to explain one small story. You will get an idea. So when I was in schooling, I have a friend. Friend name is called as a Raju. And Raju, next one. His father having a small tiffin hotel. What exactly meant? Tiffin hotel actually in my village actually. In my village. Every day, end of the day, every day, especially exactly 9:30 p.m. 9:30 what exactly p.m. What he will do, you know, his father will give one box actually. One box. That box contains total day business money. Right? So that box, when I say money actually, when I say what exactly money, sir, it is having notes and it is having coins actually, both. Not a stones, it is coins. Now, what is my friend to ask, you know, Sarji? He need to, so it's a right time, he need to separate. He need to what exactly? Separate. The point will be 10 rupees. 10 rupees, on an average, think like a 20. I mean to say, this one is a, you know, kind of some money, and this one is a count. This one is what, Sarji? Chaptara count. 10 rupees. How many came actually, Chaptara? It's like, let us just try to take only notes. That's still okay. Don't get worried. Let me take only notes. No confusion. 10 rupees notes, how many? 20. Good. 20 rupees notes. Do you know 20 rupees notes would you have? Tell some Miko. Yeah. On an average, 15. Next one will be 50 rupees notes. On an average, 7 actually. Then 100 rupees notes. 100 rupees notes on an average 8 actually. Sometimes I need number, and at the same time, how many times it is repeated matter actually. How many times it is repeated matter. Then in this scenario, you need to go for histogram. So the point, each value count I wanted to visualize. Repeating again, each value count in the sense, I hope you already know this actually. Can I ask you one small question? Samsung mobile, what mobile Sarji? Samsung mobile. I mean to say version 1 total, what is the count actually? 120 mobile sold out. I'm talking about Samsung mobile. Samsung what Sarji? Mobile version 1. I'm talking like a specific note actually. Version 1, how many, what is the count? 120 actually. Good. Now everybody look at my screen. So if you want, I will just try to take a small list. Equals to it's too difficult to take 10 20 times, 20 15 times, but for your better understanding, 10 20 10 20 50, the next one 100, again 100 20 50 10 10 10. I need your help, man. చెప్తారా మీరు ఎవరైనా? So can I take one more note actually? Old days 200 also do. Would you have a guess? Yeah, good. Can somebody tell me, sir, 10 how many times? 10 ఎన్నిసార్లు ఉంది? 4 times actually. How to check 10 how many times it is available in the list? Come again? Aid at what Sarji? Count. Did you remember count method actually? Count method, yeah. 20 how many times, madam? చెప్పండి సార్ అయ్యా. 2. Next one 50 2 times. Yeah 2 times, it's not 20. Next one 100, increase one more time, every time 2. Can somebody tell me, sir, how many times? 3 times actually. Am I right? Good. We are good to go. Anything is pending? 200 one time. 200 what Sarji? One time actually. 200 what exactly? One time. Simple. This is so called as a kind of some number, and this is so called as a count actual. Okay, yeah. Can we do this? Yes. A histogram is a graphical representation of quantitative data. What data, Sarji? Quantitative data. Hey Daniel, what do you mean by quantitative data? You should understand. It's a very simple. Don't worry, please. Chala easy. Understand the terminology. January in Python, we need to call as what exactly? You know, sir, string. In pandas, we need to call as a object. Chaptara? Object. Chappan sir, in pandas we need to call as a object actual. Object or string. Either ML or math. ML or what exactly? Either math or what exactly, sir? ML. Yeah. It is so called as a categorical data. What data? Categorical. So what you need to understand is, so January, I'm talking about John or Daniel, anything you can say. So the point is, you should understand content is the same, just the definition is changing. Content is same. What is changing? Definition. Good. Now let me tell you one more point. What is that point? You know, 10 number. What number, Sachi? 10 number. Yes, in Python it is so called as a integer or number, you can say actually. Integer or number, you can say. And here also number. But in math it is so called as a quantitative data. What data, Sachi? Quantitative. It is something like a quantitative and what exactly? Categorical. Qualitative, quantitative. We'll discuss during statistics. We'll discuss. This is too important interview question. Very, very important actually. We'll discuss later. So where are all numerical data came? That is so called as a chapter such a quantitative. One more time. Move on. This displays the frequency. I mean to say count of numerical data in a bars representation. So please, everybody look at my screen. On x-axis I am taking, this one is x-axis value, this one is y-axis value. Sir, 12. How many times repeated, you know, Sarji? 3 times it is repeated. How many times repeated? 3 times. And before that 12, this one is a 13, this one is a 14. Then this one is what exactly? 11. 11 how many times repeated? 2 times actually. 2 times. The next one 16 how many times repeated? 1 time actually. 1 time. You can represent like this. Okay. To draw this kind of histogram, can somebody help me what it is? Hist. It is a predefined function. It is what, sir? Predefined function. Means equals to 20. In between I need kind of some gap actually. In between, you know, you can try with the 20, 30 and you please come to know. Sir, any idea what is this one? Keyword ornament. That too, one more small important point. did you remember previously go for the line graph? You provided x-axis and y-axis. Now bar graph also x-axis and y-axis. I mean to say two parameters you provide actually, x and y. But when it comes to histogram, you are providing single column. You are providing what column? Single column actually. If you are providing single column, if you are creating a diagram, if you are providing single column data, if you are creating a diagram, this is so called as a univariate analysis. Chaptara sir? Univariate analysis. 1 minute, let me tell you. Data visualization actually. Data visualization. Are you using single column to visualize the data? Then that is so called as a univariate analysis. Univariant or variant, anything you can say. Univariate analysis actually. Univariate diagram. The next one, I'm using two columns, Daniel. I'm using what exactly, sir? Two columns actually. This definition is where it is available, you know. Recently I created one material for one college. I will share that end of the day. Sir, bivariate. Kind of some bivariant analysis. Multi. This is so called as a more than two. More than what such? Two columns actually. Two columns. Then this is so called as a multivariant analysis. That's what you need to be understand. So conclusion of the story. Two columns yesterday we applied actually. Month we have taken, sales we have taken, area I have taken, price packs I have taken. But today, especially, I have taken only one column. One column for what actually? To create this kind of diagram. Only nothing but a single list actually. Then, you know, this is so called as a univariant analysis. Any analysis, sir? Univariant. Easy. మీరు కొంచెం టెక్నికల్ గా ఫోకస్ చేస్తే it will be very easy. Okay, cool. Let me just try to draw this diagram. You will get an idea. Oh, did I capture this example in running notes? Running notes flow. That is not required. Today we need to start from here. Okay, sir. Can you tell me the first line actually? Chapter first line into import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Then that list let me copy paste. X axis and y axis. I mean to say on x axis we are taking value. On y axis we are taking frequency. This is by default, it will be calculated actually. By default ఇది calculate అయ్యి మనకు frequency వస్తుంది, right? Histogram plot data. Can somebody tell me keyword argument? Imagine, can you tell me what is output actually? No output. Why? Because you know you have to write show is mandatory. What is mandatory, Sarji? Show is mandatory. In Jupyter it is optional. Can I close this role? We are not going to use. Yeah, we are good to go, sir. We got this kind of diagram. Sir, please be silent. I'm hearing. Creating histogram. Next one is a pie chart. What is the next one, sir? Pie chart. Pie chart is kind of some circular graph. We'll see. Theory I will cover always later. First, look at the code actually. Online team, can I get a response? Are you following everyone? Aditya Garu, Kishore. Let's run this. Here kind of some small little shadow actually, and the background లో shadow లా కనిపిస్తుంది. When you can see that shadow very clearly, you know, sir, let us split the slices. As of now, slices joined. Slices కలిపి ఉన్నాయి కదా. Let us just have to split it. Separate చేద్దాం చూడండి. Then you can see this shadow very clearly actually, right? Now let's take this code, Sarji. Easy, sir. Pie chart for offline colors. Next one will be shadow. Let us make it split. ఇప్పుడు స్ప్లిట్ చేద్దాం చూడండి. Oh, move on, Sachi. Move on. Hold on. I will explain the code. I request you, please be patient. First question, there are some counter questions from my side. What is the syntax? Keyword argument. Previously Boolean value. Here, what exactly? This value. Can somebody tell what it is? No, I'm not asking. Come again? Tuple actually. That is what exactly mean? Tuple. Here you are passing as a tuple actually. Then don't ask what is tuple. Tuple and make idea on by this time. Good. Now what value I'm passing? 0.05, 0.05. First of all, how many values? 1, 2, 3. And tuple having 3 values you need to pass. Sir, what happened? You know, is scenario em jarugutundo cheppantara? Now indirectly the slices will, yeah, did you notice? Slices got splitted actually. Separated. In between the gap. This one is splitted, this one is a split. Unfortunately, if you have given, previously one student asked, Arey Daniel, do one thing, 0.05, 0.05, 0.05. Sir, what happened, you know? Focus on this. Yeah, very good. North, east, west actually. I'm sorry. And the slices will go travel. Toti, then is will down. So, in between, you have to provide only small little space. Then 0.05. చెప్పండి సార్, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 0.05, ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 0.0. ఓ సారీ, we're splitting. Yeah. What is a keyword argument to split this actually? Explode. What is a keyword argument to apply the colors? What is a keyword argument to apply the shadow? నేనే చెప్పేసి కదా షాడో అని. గుడ్. రిమెంబర్ ద కీవర్డ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్. మీరు కీవర్డ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ కూడా డెనియల్ హౌ టు రిమెంబర్? ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే గుర్తుంటాయి సార్, కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. మ్యాన్ సి పొజిషనల్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్, కీవర్డ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్, కీవర్డ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్, కీవర్డ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్, కీవర్డ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్. ఎవ్రీ డే ఐ యూస్ టు టెల్ కీవర్డ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. యాక్చువల్ ప్రతిరోజు చెప్తాను నేను ఇంపార్టెంట్ అని. ఓకే, యా. Customized pie chart. We are customizing actually. Auto PCT. Okay. Don't worry. We have it this separate topic actually. Daniel, I need a calculation. I need what exactly, sir? Calculation of this number and how much of percentage level actually. That value I wanted to assign within the graph. Yes, you can do actually. Yeah. Previously, there is no information. Now here we have some information. 57%. The next one will be 14%. The next one will be 28%. It may convince you, that's still okay. 14%. Next one will be out of the total circle 100%. How much percent, sir? Now total 100% and 57% is here actually. Then what kind of calculations are happening in the back end? Do you want to know? There is a separate material, fundamentals actually. That is assignment for you. Today you can remind me. Nenu ee roju upload chestanu data visualization. Go back and here pie chart calculation I wanted to know. Pie chart calculation. Now please focus on this one. Here I explain about the calculation. You guys kindly please walk through. Calculation back end ela jarugutundi anedi meeku telustadi. Did you understand, sir? That's what you need to be understand this. Did I cover theory? You need to walk through this. Seems to be I read once. The next one. Scatter plot. What is the next topic, Sarji? Scatter plot. Session goes to 10:30 due to weekend. Scatter plot, let me explain. Please focus on this. Simple. Scatter plot is a technique. It is a technique. Scatter plot is a technique. By using this, what is the usage? By using this, we can find the relation between relationship between the columns. Between what exactly mean? Columns. Let me repeat again. Did you remember yesterday I explained relationship? Yesterday I explained what's a relationship. I will repeat one more time today. Imagine would have two columns. The two columns having relationship or not, I wanted to know. Then please apply scatter plot. Please apply what plot, such as scatter plot. By using scatter plot, we can find the relationship in between columns actually. We'll do one thing. I can take few examples actually for your better understanding. Data 1, data 2. First one, data 1, area. Next one, rice packs. Area and what's a rice packs. Good. Area 1 acre, 10 rice packets. 2 acres, 20. 3 acres, 4 acres, 40. Okay, we are good to go. Now please understand. Sir, what happened here? If area is increasing, automatically rice packs also increasing. Area is increasing, rice packs also increasing. Now read in reverse way. 440, 330, 220, 110. Imagine if area is decreasing, rice packs also decreasing. Then both columns having the relationship. Both column having what mean? Relationship actually. What do you mean by relationship, you know? If area is increasing, this is so called as a relationship. If one column, I mean to say area column, if area is increasing, then automatically, we are not talking anything actually, automatically rice packs also packs also increasing. This is called as a relationship. Chappan sir, this is called as a relationship. I'm sorry. This is called as a relationship. Now let me tell you what is not a relationship. What is not a relationship? What is not a relationship? If you want, I can still extend the definition. If area is decreasing, then automatically rice packs also decreasing. Okay. This is called as a relationship. What is not a relationship? Let me tell you. So now let me take data 2. Data 2 తీసుకుంటాను చూడండి. Let us take a person name. Let me take area. Let me take rice packs. Let me take what mean? Rice packs. Good. First person name is a, think like a Raju, having 1 acre, 10 rice packets. Second person name is a Rani, 2 acres, 20. Third person name is a Vani, 3 acres, 30. Fourth person name, Daniel, 4 acres, 40 actually. Everybody please respond. Right. Area and rice packs having relationship actually. But let me tell you, do you think whoever name is Raju, they will get 10 rice packets automatically? No. Conclusion of the story. First, area and rice packets columns having relationship. Now name and rice packs having no relationship. Did you understand or not, sir? Right. Good. Now the point will be here having relationship. Area and rice packs columns having relationship. Next one, name and rice packs having no relationship. Name and what's and rice packs having no relationship. Please, sir, I'm from Telugu medium actually. No relationship. Good. We are good to go. Where are we? Now it's the right time. I need to walk through. First of all, I hope you understand what is the purpose for the man. Can you tell me what is the topic name? Scatter plot important. Machine learning first topic is a scatter plot only. So మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి, right? In scatter plot, each value in the data set is represented by using a dot notation, dot symbol. By using this, we can understand the relation between two variables. 3 variables, 4 variables also fine. To create a scatter plot, you need to, any idea what it is? Function actual, alias name dot something you are calling which is having parenthesis. Area, x-axis, rise package, y-axis actual. Diagram looks like this. By using this, you can understand how the data is traveling. The data flow you will understand. What do you mean by that? The data started from earth. Just imagine earth actually, and it is keep on traveling to sky. Now, if the data is traveling to this direction, this is so called as a upwards. Chapter sir, upwards direction. What direction? Upward. There are 2 directions. Upwards, next one, downwards. One more time. Upwards, downwards actually. If it is upwards, it is called as a positive relation. If it is downwards, that is called as a negative relation. During math, there is a topic name is a correlation. I can talk these are all things later, don't worry. As of now, let me draw this diagram. ప్రస్తుతానికి డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేద్దాం, చూడండి. That's it, sir. So seems to be on x-axis we have taken area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in between there is a frequency 1.5, 0.5 is a frequency, and goat rice packs we have taken. Can you tell me what is the point here? 110. This diagram I already have written actually previously. The next one, this one is what? 220. Previously we have written line chart, but this is not line chart. This is the scatter plot. This is what, man? Scatter plot actually. Scatter plot. Dot notation actually. Okay. Let's take this. That's it for today, sir. Daniel, why closing early today? Weekend. I do have vibes. We done today's session. So we'll connect again on Monday.